The Zambia Politburo is set to hold a crucial meeting on Wednesday, 3 December 2025, as tension within the ruling party continues to escalate over President Emmerson Mnangagwa's alleged bid to extend his term beyond constitutional limits. Sadapina mashoko obuda pangwa ine yatuona kuti Zimbabwe is ahead of my crucial meetings. We have seen kuti the other one, aiwa, yaitwa mzora nasi, and then the remaining two that are yet to be conducted tomorrow and Friday. Don't forget subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipinda unao mubda mchendra mnyuka mchinzi. Advocate Jacob FN Mudenda, Secretary General of ZANU-PF, announced the schedule for the week key party engagements, stating the Politburo convened on Wednesday at 10:00 hours, followed by a Central Committee session on Thursday. At the same time, the National Consultative Assembly will meet on Friday, also at 10:00 hours. All proceedings will take place at the party headquarters, and members are requested to be in their seats no later than 9:45 hours. Party insiders have revealed that internal divisions are deepening as Mnangagwa reportedly wishes to remain in office beyond the constitutionally allowed term. According to sources, General Constantino Chiwenga, Deputy President of ZANU-PF and Vice President of the Republic of Zimbabwe, is actively resisting this move. One insider told journalists, tension is rising across the party structures. Some members are worried that extending the presidency term could trigger serious unrest within ZANU-PF. The upcoming Politburo session is expected to be contentious, with the party heavyweights debating the legality and political implications of any attempt to extend Mnangagwa's tenure. Analysts say the meetings this week would set the tone for the party's direction ahead for future elections. Observers are keeping a close watch on the developments, noting that infighting at the top levels of ZANU-PF could have wide-reaching consequences for the governance and political stability in Zimbabwe. The party has not released any official statement regarding the specific agenda for the meetings beyond the schedule announced by Mdenda. Ndo mashoko arikubuda pangwa ine muri Zimbabwe. Mbodi dzamafungiro enyu matodipa musoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.